Welcome, this is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? Well, it is another wet week. Kind of seems to be a common theme lately. I'm not complaining. Christmas trees are liking the moisture, but ooh, the mud is ridiculous. Check this out. It's just a slimy mess. Ugh. Anyway, I think in the last week we're just under 2.5 inches of rain. Bring it on. It's always good when you get rain late in the fall, even in winter. Winter tends to be some of the drier months. Anyway, I don't know what this week brings, but today is Monday and I got a few things I need to do, and I'm going to take you guys along. One of the things that's on the list, long list, is this shed needs cleaned out before the 15th of November when we go get our Christmas trees. And on the list for today is these boxes need to be burned, and there's 3 Christmas trees that we didn't sell that are dried out. We need to torch them. I think you guys will enjoy that. So that's what I'm going to do today. Like I said, do not know what the rest of this week brings. Let's start a fire. FYI, pine needles burn like crazy. When this thing gets roaring, I'll turn it back on and show you guys. That's pretty impressive, guys. Just remember, during the Christmas season with a real tree, you need to water your real tree. As long as they're green and watered, they will not do this, or the chances is a lot lower. And these trees have been sitting out for, I don't know, 10 months, and just never got a chance to burn them. It is so wet around here that we can burn this today. Feel better now. We're getting all this stuff burned and out of the way, and who knows what the next project will be. I'm going to burn the other 2 trees and then we'll move on to something else. Well, it's the next day and you just take a little bit at a time and it adds up over a week. I got the stalls that we put Christmas trees in, weed eated, looking nice. I got things around the fire pit, weed eated and looking nice. And then we got the whole yard in front of the shed for the Christmas trees all mowed. So that's another off the list. And who knows what tomorrow brings. This week has flown by, and like I said, a little bit every day, you get a lot done, and I feel like we got a lot done. This corner is now the focus. We have just some little stuff, some signage, I don't know, just kind of junk. We need to move it out of that corner, and Beth came up with the idea of putting the rest of the trees right in here. And that's what we're gonna do. They were clear over there in the corner. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna give that space back to Beth for the store. And we're gonna try to put the trees here. I did the square footage of that versus this corner, and we should be good to go. That's what I'm gonna do right now, starting with moving the junk. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here, guys. We got the timbers. The sun's terrible right now. I don't see, can you see that? Yeah, we got the timbers in here. I'll probably continue the next video working on here, getting the tarp and getting the water added. A couple weeks we picked the Christmas trees up, so that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to do this video a little bit every day. You can get things done, and I hope you enjoy it. I know the fire is pretty cool, but we're getting closer, guys. It's starting to, well, maybe not. I feel like we're getting closer, and we'll be ready and go get the trees on the 15th, and I'll take you guys along. In the meantime, you guys take care. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.